Alright, so today I'm in Chiang Mai doing a cooking class, which I'm super excited for, to learn about some actual, like, the proper way to cook some food. First, we're here in a market where Kiki, our tour guide, is explaining kind of just the local food that we'll be using today, and just kind of going over a brief gist of all the ingredients that we need to know.
So everyone, this one is tom yum set. They're going to be in the soup, the tom yum for flavor. So these are lemongrass. The leaves are kaffir lime leaves. This is another kind of lime. This one, the yellow one here, is turmeric or curcuma, and the bigger one here is sweet ginger or galangal. And for flavor in the soup, you don't need to eat them because the taste is not that good. But you can try if you like. But even Thai people don't eat them.
Okay.
And then these are green beans, long green beans for your stir fry, the holy basil with chicken, and also for curries, red and green curry. Have you ever had papaya salad?
Yeah.
They're also in your salad.
The spicy one? Yeah.
No, not spicy. Just a bean. Yeah.
The salad's spicy though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, yeah. The tom yum, it's like the combination of them.
Tom yum?
Tom yum. Like, is it always those four same ingredients together?
No.
The ginger, the turmeric? No?
No, different.
Okay.
You in tom yum, in som tam, papaya salad, you have only lime and chili.
Right.
Same thing.
Okay.
Yeah. But in tom yum, you have the tom yum set.
Right, okay, yeah.
And so we got two different sizes of garlic here. The big ones are just regular garlic or Chinese garlic. The small one is Thai garlic. And this one smells stronger and spicier than this. So I have only the big ones for you for only flavor, because a lot of Westerns don't really appreciate Thai garlic, and they said it smells a bit too strong for them. So you can just enjoy cooking and eating with this today. And then we got chilies here, two colors, red and green. They're actually the same plants, like when they're old, they turn to red from green. So the red one is spicier, and then the green one. Then fresh green chilies for green curry. And dry chilies like this, you can sun dry them like this, then you can keep them longer. But after you do, they're going to be spicier for some reason. But you don't need to worry about the spiciness today. It depends on the size of the chilies. Like if they're big like this, they're not spicy at all. But if they're smaller, they're spicier. Then I have medium size for you. Now for medium spicy. You don't need to eat that spicy. And we got eggplants here. So these are eggplants. Have you ever tried in your curries? Both of them? So this one is in the papaya salad or som tam. Tastes nice, tastes sweet. We call them sweet eggplant or round eggplant. But this, we call them baby eggplants. The taste is a bit bitter. But I found that a lot of people love this. They said they taste like green peas, not that bad, not that bitter.
Oh, that's what.
So therefore, curry is red, green, and panang curry for eggplants here.
When I think of eggplant, I think of like the big purple thing.
Yeah,
no?
that's what
Yeah.
So Thai people, we don't really cook with the big
Aubergine.
eggplant, but sometimes we grill. But we normally cook when it's green, not the purple. Yeah, I think it's different size.
So these grow into the big purple one?
No.
No. Different plant? Oh, okay. Buy something to drink. Oh my god.
In the basement.
This one is tamarind.
Tamarind,
Yeah, the one you make medicine for.
This good, yeah.
Yeah, it's
We use
sour.
it with the elephant.
What is this?
Oh,
Tamarind.
yeah.
Tamarine?
For the vitamins.
Yeah,
Much
for the
out.
Oh, do you feed these elephants? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, to make them do.
Nice.
So it's sour tamarind. Now we have two kinds, sweet and sour. In a plastic bag like this, it's sour for cooking, for pad thai, and for masaman curry. You can just boil the tamarind in hot water to get the sauce, and then you put the sauce into your food. So I'll show you the sweet tamarind because it's actually the same plant, but comes in different packaging. But in plastic bag like this, it's sour, 100% sour for cooking. And then this one is curry paste. It's homemade paste. You can see it come in a plastic bag like this. You cannot keep it that long, probably only 4 or 5 days outside the fridge. But if you want to keep it longer, after you make your own paste, you can fry it with oil first, and then you put the paste into the fridge. So you can keep it longer, like 1 or 2 weeks, and the taste is still as good after you fry. If you don't, the water and the temperature can ruin the taste later. Or the easiest way, you can just buy the instant curry paste like this. You can keep it longer, like 3 or 4 months after you open it. And in the bucket over there, we got firm tofu. 2 different colors, yellow and the original color, the white color. Yellow color is from turmeric powder. You can just boil the tofu with the powder just for the look, no taste, no flavor. So tofu for pad Thai and spring roll filling, also for vegetarian. So if you're vegetarian today, don't worry, you can make anything with tofu.
How you want 30? So, thank you.
Palm sugar here. Thai people love everything sweet. We add sugar in everything, literally in everything. So we have many kinds of sugar. This one is palm from palm juice, and you just make it like how to make caramel, make it in a pot. A lot of people love it. They said it tastes like honey or caramel. This one. And so this one is for your pad Thai and also curries. This one is chili jam for your tom yum, your soup with shrimp. The jam is made of dry chilies, and then you fry the chilies with salt, sugar, and tamarind sauce. So the taste is salty and spicy, not that spicy. And you can also make cashew nut stir fry with the chili jam too.
Question for you. Over there's like pink eggs.
Oh, there
Why
are
they
fermented eggs.
fermented eggs?
Yeah,
okay.
so we have 2 kinds, the regular salted eggs and the pink one.
Oh.
So the regular one, the white one, you can just ferment them in water with salt around 3 or 4 months. So it's salty. But the pink one, you need to boil the eggs in black tea first around 15 minutes, and then you ferment the eggs in sodium hydroxide. So the thing turns the shell to pink color. But normally local people, they also paint the color to make it more, more pink, something like that. So the inside is black, looks like jelly, you know. I'll show you later. But the smell is
Oh, are
really
those like
strong.
the century eggs? No.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
that's
century
it.
eggs. Oh, okay.
Century eggs.
Okay.
Have you ever tried?
Yeah, I did once. And yeah, they were okay.
Yeah, but I don't like it.
Yeah, I don't really like it either. They're all black and they're like gelatin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because they boil the eggs in black tea, so the inside is black like this.
Huh.
You can make salad or some stir fry with the pink eggs. And then over here they also got some dry lam leaves here. Like if you go back home and if you can't find the fresh leaves, you can buy some here, and then you put them in warm water 10 to 15 minutes to revive the leaves. Right now we're done at the market. You have time 5 to 10 minutes. If you want to try something, want to eat something, you can, but don't forget to save your hunger. You're gonna cook a lot today, and then I'll see you at the bus. Okay?
Yeah, can I just ask?
Kiki, what was this again?
Tamarind, sweet
Tamarind. That was what in the bags were over there.
Yeah, but this one is sweet, so it's beautiful.
It's like a fruit.
Fruit.
Oh, okay.
You eat it like a fruit.
Huh.
These are the long eggplant.
Oh,
These
what?
are round eggplant. And baby eggplants.
Baby eggplants. Because I had a Penang curry not too long ago, and I had the entire time I was confused. I thought they were peas or something like that. Yeah.
You like it?
I did actually. I really loved it. Oh yeah, it was super good.
It wasn't bitter for you.
The
right?
peas?
Yeah,
Peas?
the eggplant.
No, not really. No.
In eggplant. In Penang, right?
I didn't eat it in Penang. Or the Penang curry.
Yeah, Penang
sorry.
curry, Penang curry, yeah.
I went to an island called Penang, so that's why I was getting confused a little bit in Malaysia there. But,
in Malaysia, it's called Penang.
Penang.
This one is Penang.
Oh, okay. So I've been saying the other place wrong the entire time. Okay, great.
Is satay like a popular?
Whoa, baby corns. I've never actually seen baby corns like in the husk before. That's crazy. I always thought they kind of just grew like that. I don't know. They kind of just come out of the can. You're like, all right. Do you want to get a snack or something? I'm a little peckish. So, Dika, jackfruit or durian? Jackfruit? Okay, okay. And the durian's over here? Oh, okay, okay. This is durian. I always get confused because they look super similar. It's crazy, all the different types of rice. That's nuts. Just a massive bins of it. I mean, it makes sense. I wonder with all like the different applications you have with them, right? Because every single rice can be used for different things.
You can eat everything.
Pie,
right?
banana, yeah. Yum. Oh my god, really good. Banana, not like plantains, right? Banana?
Banana.
Yeah. Yum.